Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria Evans. I'm a science-based intuitive eating specialist helping you stop food fear, food guilt, and self-sabotage so you can eat effortlessly and feel amazing. So today we're going to be talking all about self-talk for binging. Now, I'm not actually going to give much of a preamble for this. Basically, I'm going to give you a script, exactly what I want you to say to yourself in those moments when you're finding yourself wanting to binge. So I want you to be able to save this video and then again, just repeat after me as I'm saying it, because this is going to be a script. So with that said, I encourage you to save this video to your YouTube channel or copy the link into maybe the notes app on your phone. That's the way I like to do it in terms of being able to find it easily. And then title the note self-talk for binging. That way, when you type into your notes in the search box, self-talk for binging or binging, you can find it again. Click on this link and watch this video when you need it most. All right, one last thing here, and that is to please subscribe to my channels. I'm posting weekly videos. I absolutely love your support. Every time I see a subscriber click the add button, it gives me a notification in my email. I do a little happy dance, get super excited. So please hit the subscribe button. Please support this. I would really super appreciate it. As well as if you'd like even more support, more accountability, more tools, more knowledge, I invite you to book a free consult using the link below in the description. All right, with that said, let's dig into it. So before a binge, say this out loud. If you're in a place that you can, feel free to also change this up as you would like. Basically, what I want you to do is repeat after me. I am safe. I am here now. This feeling is simply an urge and will pass whether or not I choose to engage in it. I am feeling irritated, anxious, and overwhelmed. I am allowing these feelings because I know that they cannot hurt me. Right now, I might be trying to avoid feeling fill in the blank. Something I can do right now that is in alignment with the version of myself I want to be is fill in the blank. If I binge, then I will feel 10 times worse. If I binge, I will only make this behavior stronger and harder to stop. It is like saying fuck you to my future self who will have to deal with the consequences. I will go and do some activity, fill in the blank, for 10 minutes and set a timer. And when I come back, I will decide if I want to binge. Now that is the whole script. Delaying the binge, setting that timer, it really allows us to create a little bit of space, a little bit of distance, and that can help those urges to binge pass. Now repeat this entire script as needed, going through each of the steps, and also be aware that if you are not eating throughout the day, right, if you are restricting, that is what is causing that binging response. So make sure that you are getting enough food throughout the day. Otherwise, I can give you all the self-talk, all the scripts in the world, and it's not going to make a difference. So that is my super quick video for you. Like I said, feel free to repeat that, write it down, make it your own. But there's some key things in there. I won't dig in too much the science of what those different statements are doing to your brain to help you not go into that binge response. But with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, so let's comment below what type of videos you'd like to see next. And if you'd like more support, more accountability, more everything, then I invite you to look at the link below in the description and book a free consult call. All right, thank you so much. And until next week, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.